नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी तंबाके सर. आज आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये इयत्ता 10वीतील इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट 2.3 द ट्विन्स या कवितेचे प्रश्नोत्तरांचा भाग पाहणार आहोत. वॉर्मिंग अप, चिटचाट. ट्विन्स, टू बेबीज बॉर्न ॲट द सेम टाइम आर कॉल्ड ट्विन्स. एकाच वेळी एकाच मातेच्या पोटी जन्माला आलेल्या दोन मुलांना ट्विन्स म्हणजेच जुळी मुले म्हणतात. गेस अँड शेअर हू आर. 1. Triplets. Three babies born at the same time to the same mother are called triplets. 2. Quadruplets. Four babies born at the same time to the same mother are called quadruplets. 3. Quintuplets. Five babies born at the same time to the same mother are called quintuplets. यानंतर imagine you had an identical twins, brother or sister. Imagine and share with your classmates what pranks you two would play on your friends, elders in the family and even in school. तुम्ही थेट एकमेकांसारखे दिसणारे जुळे भाऊ किंवा बहिणी आहात अशी कल्पना करा. तुम्ही तुमच्या मित्राच्या कुटुंबातील आणि अगदी शाळेतील व्यक्तींच्या कशा खोड्या काढाल याचे काल्पनिक वर्णन तुमच्या मित्रांना सांगा. उत्तर: इफ वी वेअर ट्विन्स वी वुड प्ले मेनी प्रँक्स ॲज शाउटिंग लाऊडली. वी वुड प्ले गेम्स लाईक चेसिंग, हाईड अँड सीक, एटसेट्रा. वी वुड नॉट पे अटेन्शन टुवर्ड्स एनीवन if they call us by our individual names. We might often make fun of friends or relatives by taking advantage of our same appearance. Next, study the following pairs of groups of words: cup and saucer, needle and thread, birds and beast, take a risk, sip tea or coffee, hide and seek, etc. These are sets of words that more than often go together and occur together. We call such sets collocation. Insert the proper words from the brackets to form collocation. Answers are directly given. 1. Absolutely necessary. B. Cannot afford. C. Formal clothes. D. Job interview. E. Pastime. F. Accept defeat. G. Early morning. H. Catch a cold. I. Leading role. And J. Joint owners. Next, exaggeration or overstatement often causes humor. For example, she is thin as a pin. एक्झॅजरेशन किंवा ओव्हरस्टेटमेंट म्हणजेच अतिशयोक्ती. अशा अतिशयोक्तीमुळे बऱ्याच वेळा विनोद निर्माण होतो. उदाहरण: ती टाचणीसारखी बारीक आहे. When such exaggerated lines occur in poetry, they are examples of figure of speech hyperbole. जेव्हा कवितेत अशा प्रकारच्या अतिशयोक्तीपूर्ण ओळी येतात तेव्हा त्या काव्यातील हायपरबोली या अलंकाराची उदाहरणे असतात. एक्झाम्पल 1. ही हॅज अ पी साइज्ड ब्रेन. त्याचा मेंदू वाटाण्याच्या आकाराचा आहे. 2. माय शूज आर किलिंग मी. माझे बोट मला मरणाच्या म्हणजेच अतिशय वेदना देत आहेत. नेक्स्ट, complete the following examples of hyperbole using words from the bracket. A. She wept an ocean of tears. B. The hungry man ate a ton of food. C. He runs faster than a horse. D. Oh, I am freezing to death. E. I shall come over in just a second. Next, margin questions. 1. In what aspects where the brothers are alike each other? Answer: the brothers were alike each other in the structure and appearance. Their face cut and the limb also resembled a lot. 2. How did the speaker suffer a lot in school? Answer: the speaker's brother John often made pranks and mischiefs. The two brothers resembled with each other. The teacher also could not distinguish their identity. Instead of John, the speaker got punishments for several times. In this way, the speaker suffered a lot in the school. Next, question 3. What name did the speaker get? Answer: the speaker got the name of his brother. 4. What is impossible in the last two lines? Answer: The last two lines are exaggerated. It is unbelievable if anybody dies. How he or she could speak. Another impossible thing is that the people bury only person who is dead, not the another who is alive instead of him or her. आता यानंतर इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप 1 रीराइट पुटिंग द मिस्टेक्स इन द स्पीकर्स लाइफ इन देअर प्रॉपर ऑर्डर. Answer 1. No one in the family could distinguish between the twin babies. 2. At the naming ceremony, wrong names were given to the twin brothers. 3. He got beaten up often at school. 4. The speaker desperately asked for guidance. 5. The speaker's bride became his brother's wife. And 6. Even in a death, the twins were not spared during burial. Question 2. Pick out 4 situations in the lives of the twins which are too absurd and senseless to believe. त्या जुळ्यांच्या जीवनातील विश्वास बसणार नाही अशा हास्यास्पद व मूर्खपणाच्या 4 घटना निवडून लिहा. Answer 1. The people began mistaking one for the other. 2. The speaker's brother got the name John intended for the speaker. 3. The speaker's intended bride became his brother's wife. 4. When the speaker died, the neighbors came and buried his brother John. Question 3a. Complete the web diagram. Answer. Poet uses humor to create laughter, to make readers happy, to have a sense of humor, to reduce boredom, to create good mood, आणि शेवटचं to entertain readers. These are some points. Next question 3b. Write any 2 lines from the poem that you find most humorous. Answer 1. For somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. And 2. When I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. These are the 2 lines in the poem which are very humorous. Question 4. Pick out lines that contain 1. Alliteration. Alliterationचे 3 उदाहरणं कवितेतून शोधून लिहा. 1. In form and feature, face and limb. It puzzled all our kith and kin. And 3. As we were being watched by nurse. या वरील तीनही वाक्यापैकी पहिल्या वाक्यात F, दुसऱ्या वाक्यामध्ये K आणि तिसऱ्या वाक्यात W या अक्षरांची पुनरावृत्ती झाल्याने या वाक्यांना alliteration figure of speech म्हणतात. 2. Pun. It reached a fearful pitch. 3. Hyperbole. 1. I was always getting flogged, for John turned out a fool. 2. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. In these two sentences, the statement or fact has been exaggerated to create humor. या 2 ओळीवरून विनोद निर्माण करण्यासाठी अतिशयोक्ती करण्यात आलेली आहे असे दाखवल्यामुळं याला हायपरबोली फिगर ऑफ स्पीच म्हणतात. यानंतर प्रश्न 5वा. Pick out from the poem sets of words that generally go together. For example, kith and kin. Answer. Form and features. B. Face and limb. C. Year after year. D. One of us. And E. Turn the tide. हे सगळे शब्द एकमेकांच्या सोबतीनेच जातात. Next, question number 6. Write in your notebook the summary of this poem in about 15 to 20 lines in your own words. You can suggest another humorous title. Answer. Twists in the lives of twins. The narrator was one of the pair of twins. Right from the birth, he and his brother were similar in form and feature, face and limbs. The resemblance was so close that people began mistaking one for the other. All relatives and friends were confused, and at times the confusion reached a very high level. It was certain that one of them was born a twin, but no one knew for sure which of them was it. One day just before their christening, as they were being watched by the nurse, they got interchanged. Thus it was either due to the nurse's mistake or because of destiny's decision. The narrator's brother got the name John intended for the narrator, and the narrator got the name intended for his brother. The narrator says that The likeness had very bad and serious effects and followed the two like a shadow all through their lives. At school, the narrator was usually punished for the mistakes made by his brother. The narrator put the following question to everyone he knew, though without getting a definite answer, what he would do in order to prove his identity if he were in his place. Even the narrator's domestic life was affected by this close resemblance, for it turned out that the girl he intended to marry became his brother's wife. Year after year, the same absurd mistakes went on, with the result that when the narrator died, the neighbors came and buried his brother John, mistaking him for the narrator himself.